What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to ride off a curb a few different ways. I'm just looking for a good curb. So riding off a curb is easy, but it's also important in skateboarding. Even if you're just trying to skate for fun, it's still important to know because it's going to help you not get hurt. So before you learn how to roll off a curb, you need to know how to do a tic-tac and how to do a manual for at least a few feet, because you kind of have to do a little manual off the curb. If you don't, the middle of your board will get stuck and you'll fall. You have to be able to manual at least the length of the wheelbase here so that you can roll off the curb without getting stuck. So after you know how to do all that, the faster you go, the easier this is going to be. All you do is lift your front wheels up and roll off. So when you're doing a manual, you don't want to just lean back because then you're going to shoot the board out. You want to kind of be leaning your weight forward but bending your front knee to lift it up. So that's how you roll off a curb the normal way. Other things you could try would be a nollie off the curb. When you're nollieing off the curb, you don't have to actually touch the nose against the ground and pop it. All you have to do is the same thing, just lift your back wheels up and just nudge it forward. And since you're going off this curb, if you're going fast enough, those back wheels will clear. It's kind of like a ghost pop, especially if there's a little bump or like coping at the end. You can really pop off of that. So after that, you could try doing a half cab off the curb. So that's just rolling fakie, and when you get towards the end of the curb, you're going to lift the front wheels up because you're rolling backwards, turn them, and just kind of roll off that way. So after that, you could do the same thing except off the front of your board. Do a Nollie Half-Cab. It's exactly the same thing, just turn your shoulders, roll off the curb, just go in the opposite direction. To back 180 off a ledge, all you really do is turn your shoulders and then the rest of the board and your body will follow. You have to know how to do a backside power slide, and you kind of just slide off the ledge. It's actually a pretty easy movement, but it can be scary because you're rolling backwards. Then probably the hardest way out of all of these would be doing an early grab off the ledge. With that, you just grab the board and pull up and then suck your feet up. This is way more dangerous than the other ways because you run the risk of smashing your fingers if you're not going fast enough and you don't pull up enough. If you just grab the board, lift up, and go straight down, you really could hurt yourself. So that's 5 ways to roll off a curb. I know it's kind of a basic trick, but I've been trying to do some really basic trick tutorials lately just because people seem to really enjoy them. And when I do harder tricks, less people comment, less people seem to enjoy those videos. So if there's a certain trick that you guys want a trick tip on, let me know in the comment section below and I'll think about doing a video on it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.